Welcome to the Plus Addon tutorials. Today I gonna demonstrate WP form widget for Elementor using the Plus add-ons. First of all, you have to install free version or the premium version of WP forms, which you can find from the wordpress.org with this link, or you can find out the premium version from wpforms.com. First of all, you need to install those. Once you install that, you need to create the forms in WP forms. And once you create the forms, you need to use WP forms light widget in the backend. And from here, you need to select the forms. Now, if you are not getting the forms in this field, you need to go to the dashboard, WP forms, and the setting tab, which you can find from the setting, and you need to check this mark. Make sure this is enabled unless it will not show up over here. So we are assuming this is checked, and you just need to save the settings and your forms will be available here. And if not available and you also have checked this, just refresh the page and the forms value will be available here. Now we are assuming you already have created the forms, and now you are selecting the form. Once you select the form, in the style tab you will have all the options related to styling of that forms fields. So let's get start with the label field. In the label, you will have option for the inner padding, the margin, typography options, label color. Now, in the inline label typography, you will have options for typography, the sub-label color, and required symbols color option. You can change the color of required section over here. After that, you will have options for the description text. Again, in that you have the margin, padding, typography, color, background color, and the border options. If you turn the border on, and you will have other options. Then in the input field styling, you will have the option for the typography. Now let me mention you the description text is the text field area which is used here. The label is the normal label, and input field styling. For that, you can adjust the type, placeholder color and everything. This is the styling for these placeholders. So you have option for the typography, inner padding, margin, the text color, box border, border radius, box shadow. All those options are available for the normal and for the hover conditions. After that, you have the option for the text area fields styling, in which you have padding, margin, typography, placeholder color. You can see the text area type, placeholder color changes. You will have option for the text color, background color. You can select the background image as well, box border, border radius, box shadow. Again, all those options are for the normal and for the focus condition. Then you have options for the checkbox and radio field. In the checkbox, you have options for text size, its color, icon size. You can uncheck colors, you can check color, uncheck background color, check background color, image choices and styles. For using these options, you need to select the image choices in WP form. Once you use that option and enable this, you will have all these options available which you can use for that. So this is specifically made for the WP forms. Then you have option for the border and border radius. The same options are available for the radio button. Then you have option for submit button, in which you have a width, you have the typography, padding, margin, and text color, background type, box border, border style, border width, border color, border radius, and box shadow. All those options are available for normal and hover state. You can adjust that for any state, normal or the hover. After that, you have option for the outer fill. This outer fill is considered outside part of the area form. You can put the value over here to see the outer field. This is the field and space is in between all those elements. So you have options for the inner padding, background type, and other for the outer field. Now in the form container, you can see the form container. For the form container, you have option padding, margin, the background color, border, and the box shadow. These background color, border, and box shadow options are available for the host state as well. Then you have option for the response message, in which you have option for margin, padding, typography, text color, background color, border radius for the success message, and the same for the validation error message. In the validation error as well, you have options. In the extra options, you have maximum width, which you can put in the pixel or in the percentage. Then you have option for the scroll view animation, and in the advanced tab you have the options as a plus extras. We have made separate video for plus extras, you can check it out in our channel. So these are the options for the WP form, and if you want to download the WP form samples, you can download from here on our demo link, or you can download the JSON of the stylings from this button as well. So thanks for watching and keep crafting amazing websites. See you in the next video.